Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you what is the Bitcoin price history. Let's get started. Amongst asset classes, Bitcoin has had one of the more volatile trading histories. The cryptocurrency's first significant price increase occurred in 2010 when the value of a single Bitcoin jumped from just a fraction of a penny to $0.09. The cryptocurrency has undergone several rallies and crashes since it became available. This article offers insight into Bitcoin volatility and some reasons why its price acts the way it does. What are the key takeaways? Since it was first introduced, Bitcoin has had a choppy and volatile trading history. As an asset class, Bitcoin continues to evolve along with the factors that influence its prices. Bitcoin was designed to be used as currency in daily transactions. While Bitcoin is still a cryptocurrency, investors have also used it to store value and to hedge against inflation and market uncertainty. Due to the growing interest of investors, economists, and governments in Bitcoin, other cryptocurrencies began to be developed around 2017. The price changes for Bitcoin reflect both enthusiasm and dissatisfaction with its promise. Satoshi Nakamoto, the anonymous Bitcoin investors, designed it for use in daily transactions and as a way to circumvent traditional banking infrastructures after the 2008 financial collapse. The cryptocurrency gained mainstream tractions as a means of exchange. It also attracted traders who began to bet against its price changes. Investors turned to Bitcoin as a way to store value, generate wealth, and hedge against inflation. Institutions work to create Bitcoin instruments. Bitcoin price fluctuations primarily stem from investors and traders betting on an ever increasing price in anticipations of riches. However, Bitcoin price story has again changed. In January 2022, Bitcoin began losing steam. Here's Here's what in 2019 to 2015, Bitcoin had a price of zero when it was introduced in 2009. On July 17, 2010, its price jumped to $0.09. Bitcoin price rose again on April 13, 2011 from $1 to a peak of $29.60 by June 7, 2011, again of 2,960% within 3 months. A sharp recession in cryptocurrencies markets followed, and Bitcoin's price bottomed out at $2.05 by mid November. The following year, its price rose from $4.85 on May 9 to $13.50 by August 15. The year 2012 proved to be a generally uneventful year for Bitcoin, but 2013 witnessed strong gains in price. Bitcoin began the year trading at $13.28 and reached to $230 on April 8, and equally rapid declarations in its price followed, bringing it down to $68.50 a few weeks later on July 4th. In early October of 2013, Bitcoin was trading at $123. By December, it had spiked to $1,237.55 and then fallen to $687.02 3 days later. Bitcoin's price slumped through 2014 and touched to 315 to 21 at the start of 2015. 2016 to 2020, prices slowly climbed through 2016 to over $900 by the end of the year. In 2017, Bitcoin price, however, hovered around $1,000 until it broke 2000 in mid-May and then skyrocketed to $19,345.49 on December 15. Mainstream investors, government, economics, and scientists took notice, and the other entities began developing cryptocurrencies to compete with Bitcoin. Bitcoin's price moved sideways in 2018 and 19 with small burst of activities. For example, there was a resurgence in price and trading volume in June 2019 with the price surpassing dollar 10,000. However, it fell to dollar 6,635.84 by mid December. In 2020, the economy shut down due to the COVID 19 pandemic. Bitcoin's price burst into action once again. The cryptocurrency started the year at $6,965.72. The pandemic shutdown and subsequent government policies fed investors fears about the global economy and accelerated Bitcoin's rise. At the close on November 23, Bitcoin was trading for $19,157.16. Bitcoin price reached just under $29,000 in December 2020, increasing 416% from the start of the year. In 2021, presently, Bitcoin took less than a month in 2021 to smash its 2020 price record, surpassing $40,000 by Jan 7, 2021. By mid-April, Bitcoin price reached a new all-time highs of over 60,000 as Coinbase, a cryptocurrency exchange, went public. Institutional interest propelled its price further upward, and Bitcoin reached a peak of $63.558 on April 12, 2021. By the summer of 2021, prices were down by 50% and hitting to $29,796 on July 19th. September saw another bull run with price scrapping $52,693, but a large draw down took it to a closing price of $40,710 about 2 weeks later. On November 10, 2021, Bitcoin again reached an all-time high of $68,789 before closing at $64,995. In mid-December 2021, Bitcoin fell to $46,164. The price started fluctuating more as uncertainty about inflation and the emerge of a new variant of COVID-19 Omicron continued to spook investors. Between January and May 2022, Bitcoin's price continued to gradually decline, with closing prices only reaching $47,445 by the end of March before falling further to $28,305 on May 11. This was the first time since July 2021 that Bitcoin closed under 30,000. On June 13, crypto prices plunged. Bitcoin dropped below $20,000 for the first time since December 2020. Interestingly, Bitcoin's price trends appeared to mimic those of the stock market from November 2021 and through June 2022, suggesting that market was treating it like a stock. What affects the price of Bitcoin? Supply and demand. Like other currencies, products, or services within a country or economy, Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies prices depend on perceived value and supply and demand. If people believe that Bitcoin is worth a specific amount, they will buy it. Specifically, if they think it will increase in value. By design, only 21 million Bitcoin will ever be created. The closer Bitcoin gets to its limit, the higher its price will be as long as demand remains the same or increases. Bitcoins are created by mining software and hardware at a specified rate. The rate splits in half every 4 years, slowing down the number of coins created. Bitcoin's price should continue to rise along as it continues to grow in popularity and its supply cannot meet demand. However, if popularity wanes and demand falls, there will be more supply than demands. Then Bitcoin price should drop unless it maintains its value or other reasons. What are the fast facts? The economic circumstances can affect Bitcoin's price as demonstrated during the COVID 19 pandemic. New Bitcoin securities. Another factor that affects Bitcoin price also relates to supply and demand. Bitcoin became a financial instrument that investors and financial institutions use to store value and generate return. As a result, derivatives have been created and traded by investors. This influences Bitcoin price. Speculation, investors, producers, hype, irritations, exervations, and investors. Panic and fear can also be expected to affect Bitcoin price because demand will rise and fall with investor sentiment. Cryptocurrency competition. Other cryptocurrencies may also affect Bitcoin's prices. There are several cryptocurrencies, and the number continues to rise as regulators, institutions, and merchants address concerns and adopt them as acceptable form of payment and currencies. Lastly, if consumers and investors believe that other coins will prove to be more valuable than Bitcoin, demand will fall, taking prices with it, or demand will rise along with prices if sentiment and trading move in the opposite direction. That's all, guys, today. Thank you and stay tuned for my next video. Till then, bye bye. Be safe.